Hi, I'm Jamie Schember, and welcome to AI Boost Bites, where every week we teach you the skills to supercharge your marketing with AI. Did you just get plussed into a 20-page document where getting a summary would have worked better? Gemini in Workspace is here to help save the day. Click the Gemini button in the top right corner to open the side panel. And then click Summary of this content to generate a short summary of the entire document. From there, you can follow up with more prompts like, tell me more about the third bullet of the summary, or what the doc says about the timeline, or who is responsible for sending the follow-up. If you want to summarize only part of the document, you can highlight that text, right-click, and hit View More Actions. And then refine selected text, Summarize. You can also do the same thing in Drive and summarize across multiple files using the Gemini Drive sidebar. For example, you can prompt Gemini to compare two budget sheets from 2022 and 2023 and tell me what the differences are. Or answer, who is the PM for Google Vids? Or what is the most current registration count for the Google at Work event? So you can stop spending all that time reading long documents, embrace the power of Gemini and AI, and see your productivity soar. Now it's your turn to complete the Boost Bites challenge today. Thanks for watching.